It's, well, it's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else. It's someone who makes you a better person. Actually, they don't make you a better person. You do that yourself because they inspire you.
You know, if that were like twice the size, it would make a really cool sword.
Exactly.
A soulmate is someone who you carry with you forever.
Just rest. We're gonna beat this. I promise you, Astrid. You just have to keep fighting and hold on.
It's the one person who knew you and accepted you and believed in you before anyone else did.
He got the Dragonite, didn't he? We'll get it back, Hiccup.
Or when no one else would.
Be careful with that dragon.
And no matter what happens, you'll always love them. Nothing can ever change that.